let me give you one more before I tie this down. I also decided I was not going to let my past hinder me from my future. I was not going to let my past hinder me from my future. Every one of us have a past. You have aborted pregnancies before. That is not going to hinder you from your future. When you get married, you could have issues and contentions, but don't ever allow the fact that that happened in your past to not be the reason why you are going to throw in the towel in the future. Paul had a past. It was not a good past, but he never hindered his future. Forgetting those things which are behind. I reach forth to those things which are before. You must be a master at forgetting. There are couples who find it difficult to go forward in life because they refuse to forget. Your forgetter must be working properly. Your forgetter. When you forgive, you forgive. Don't always call to mind the thing that God does not remember.